So today, per the instructions, we're going to be installing these SnapPads, and these go on my front landing jacks to lift the rig up and stabilize it. Actually level it and stabilize it. They don't make them big enough for the rear, but I'm on the waiting list for that. The instructions say that the installation time is 3 to 6 minutes per pad. I'm figuring an hour and a half it's going to take us. Okay, so as I take off my sunglasses and have my readers pre-installed to speed up the process here. So you might wonder, why is Mark deciding to do yoga right in the middle of an installation of his SnapPads? Well, that's because I basically need a giant Fifi to be able to go in here, because I have such tender little knees, and you see the trick of holding the top thing above you so you don't smash your head in it. And let's see if I can take this board out. Yes, normal people would have handles on this board, but I didn't get around to it yet. Hopefully I won't need to use the board. And now I have to get a little brush and not hit my head. We're 2 minutes into our 3 to 6 minute installation here. I have the Dawn soap that I need to put on the rim. Where is Sue when you need her? Oh wait, wait, I always need her.
Oh, throwing it at me.
Alright, now I gotta go in deep. Alright, I gotta go in deep. How are we doing on the 3 to 6 minutes?
I think we're about 4 minutes in.
Oh my god.
I'll have to put a timer on this.
Only reason I can use this shoulder is I just got back from PT.
Is that up all the way?
No. Why go up all the way? It just takes time. We only got 3 to 6 minutes. Alright.
I was thinking once it goes up, we gotta clear. It's like, that ain't gonna clear.
Look at that. I'll be able to line that baby up. Alright, I gotta put the lube on. Honey, I'm gonna need a back rub after this. Alright. Now it's got an F on it. It doesn't say anything about that being front or anything. I'm gonna go look at the other one and see what it's a dot on there. I don't believe it.
It's a Chan Man way. Overkill. You go, baby.
Okay. Alright. This is harder than it looks, folks. Much harder. Okay, alright. It looks... That beeping in the background adds to the excitement of the video. Okay, so I like how it is this way. Now I don't know how it is that way. But I'll have to go look at the front of the rig. I take Fifi along. Okay. Alright, so you are going to want to lift the rig, so you're going to press the arrow that goes up. You have to turn the key to the left. You shouldn't hear any beeping. And then you're going to push the up arrow until I say stop. Ready. So our snap pad actually did go on in 3 to 6 minutes. Unfrickin' believable. Now we got to do the other one. Something probably would go wrong in that one, but we're not going to videotape that one because we don't want to bore you. But these things are heavy, and hopefully they add to the macho-ness of Miles. So we're putting new shoes on Miles. We're going to go over here with our portable Fifi pad and set up for the next one. Got better lighting over here.
Marco, you're using too much lube.
I did it better this time though. I got less all over the place. Alright.
It's still too much.
Nah. Never too much lube. I'm looking at that one now. It's a little crooked. Doesn't mean anything. It's just for OCD people, it's a problem.
What's crooked?
The octagon is a little octagon.
Oh my god.
You know?
Yeah, you're OCD.
Okay. Where's Fifi? I'll get it. I'll get it. You get in position here.
You can notice as I get in position, no grunting.
So I'll tell you what. All right, so push it towards the passenger slowly. Perfect.
All right, here we go. Again, notice I'm getting up with no grunting.
Oh, I was grunting. Okay.
So we're done. We can't believe we actually did something that went smooth and timely. They said about 6 minutes, and we actually did about that. Not the hour and a half as Mark predicted. Good job, my Marco.